Hey guys, so here are your video instructions for A Rose for Emily by William Faulkner. This story is broken up into 3 days. Okay, so just follow along with the directions. You are going to be analyzing how the author William Faulkner uses plot development and Southern Gothic characteristics in his writing. So the first thing you're going to do is view a slideshow and then just provide a short summary of what Southern Gothic literature is. So that's worth 5 points. I do want to tell you that the story has some language that we definitely wouldn't and shouldn't be using today because it is from that time era where it was okay. That doesn't mean it's okay now, but it is part of literature. And so, just kind of if you hear it, um, I don't want to say ignore it, but just know that, that's part of the story because that's when the story was written. Okay. So, A Rose for Emily. You're going to, day one, which is today, you're going to read parts 1 and 2, and you're going to answer the questions. Please change your color to red so that your answers are easily visible. So part 1 is questions here, part 2 questions there. So here's a text link. If you click on it, this one will take you to Common Lit, and you have to just sign in with a class code. So make sure you put the correct class code. So hit sign in with Google and then put your class code in there. If you don't have an account, you have to create one and then just add the class code. That version has some a guided reading mode enabled, so it gives you a little bit of extra help. So it's very good and helps you as you read along, helps you to answer some questions. The second option is just to read the PDF, and you would click here to do that. And then the third option is to read the PDF or Common Lit, doesn't matter which one, with audio. So there's an audio recording there. Okay, so make sure that those questions are done for Thursday, which is today. Tomorrow you will be reading parts 3 and 4. And the same thing, you'll answer the questions in red with red text, please. Or any color that's clearly visible is fine. And then on Monday we'll finish up. You will read part 5, same thing, answer your questions here. The last thing is if you're having trouble understanding the story, watch the movie. It's about 25 minutes and it's on YouTube. And you are free to do that if you're not understanding. I highly encourage you to watch the movie just because we will be having a test over the story. We'll be having some discussion next week, and then you'll have a summative grade over it. Okay, so do a good job and write down questions that you have, et cetera, et cetera. See you guys in a little while.